Hi there, let's take a look at FET chart. We'll cover the weekly Wyckoff structure, check out the short-term trend, so you can learn how to assess the risk of next price move, even if you're new to chart analysis. From a Wyckoff perspective, FET is currently in the testing stage of the accumulation cycle. This stage, what comes after usually is something we call a sign of strength, and that's what we're waiting for it to show up. Because during accumulation, you can see even in the last cycle in 2002 to 2004, there is quite a bit of sideways period. It differs from cycle to cycle. This one broke into two separate pieces of major sideways moments with a peak in the middle. Sometimes that peak comes a little bit earlier and then goes sideways for long before that sign of strength came in. Here, that's something similar to what I described just now, that the sideways is taking quite a while, almost a full year counting, right? Because that's October last year that it dropped to this current range. And what we want to see is for sustained higher than average volume and go back to challenge what the automatic rally set around the light blue key level of 85 cents 50. All right. Remember, these are education content only, not financial advice. The most important weekly support level is 0.112, the orange key level over here. And the major resistance is the yellow key level of 18 cents 40. Now, let's get to the micro view and see what's going on. The market seems to be excited. For the case of FET, the volume has actually climbed since the beginning of the month, almost doubling what we had back in June, July time. All right, if you take an average over here, you see it is clearly at least 50% higher, if not double. All right. However, when we look at the price, these price actions, the candles, are still within the falling channel. All right. The last 2 days, those climbing moves hasn't really broke outside of this channel, hasn't broken the channel ceiling at all. It is actually staying below the short-term resistance of 14 cents 80 to make it simpler, 0.148. That's also where the rejection happened at the beginning of the month. All right, if we look to the left, that's the support for those two big commitment dates on February 5th and 6th, with massive price spread and higher than average volume back then. Although the volume back then is not as high as right now. So when we look at this, we have to ask ourselves one question. Yes, the price moved up quite a bit, right? Yesterday, it was from open to close, 9%, over 9%. But still, we can see the weights from there. That means quite a bit of selling from the level close to resistance. So be really cautious now and observe whether the volume persists. All right, if price continues to go up and the volume persists without a long wake from the top, that's a slightly positive sign compared to seeing a massive wake from the top, even though the volume goes higher, because that means there are quite a number of people either taking profit or selling. And while some people are trying to push the price up. Okay, so that's, I would say, a trap, right? If you see that kind of patterns showing up, irrespective of which coin you're looking at. So here, if this is climbing to this wedge, right? It is getting closer to the August 26th date that we put up in previous sessions. So that means once it passed the resistance of 14 cents 80, the 2C's decision point kicks in. What's the 2C? One, continuation with the current uptrend, meaning eventually breaks the resistance of the channel. All right, it breaks the channel ceiling and goes outside of this falling channel. The other C is changing of this uptrend getting rejected by the channel ceiling or this resistance line and come back to find support at the next support of 13 cents 50. All right. So if I draw a line over here, marking the current trend or measuring the current trend, you can see it's actually closer than the 26th. It may actually happen a day or two earlier, around the 24th or even before. Okay, so if this rate of ascent continues, we'll get a decision sooner than the original wedge suggests, because there's new wedge formed over here. Okay, let me know in the comment whether you think this trend will continue, or is the trend going to change in the next couple of days, coming back down to test the lower support levels. You can see this video earlier being a channel member, so join the other members now. See you in the next one. Thank you.